And welcome to B1 lesson 20. The second conditional or unreal situations. Use conditionals using unreal situations. That's where we use the second conditional. What is the second conditional? The second condition is used to talk about unreal or imaginary situation. Things which are not real, things which are just imaginations. The situation that are unlikely or impossible. We also use them for advice and hypothetical ideas. They describe situations that are not real now. Remember, we said that the first conditional talks about the real and possible future events, real possible future situations. And means like those things are likely to happen. But the second condition talks about unreal or imaginary situations, or situations that are unlikely or impossible to happen. Means like it describes the situation that are not real now. When do we use them? We use second conditional when the situation is imaginary, when the situation is unlikely, when we want to give advice politely. If I won the lottery, I would travel the world. If she were taller, she would play basketball. Let's see the form of the second condition. Remember the first condition, we said that the form is if plus present simple, comma, subject plus will, V1. But when we get into the second conditional, we talk about if plus past simple, comma, would plus V1, subject would V1. Or you start with would plus V1, if plus past simple. Differently or contrary to the first conditional, in first conditional we use here present simple and we use here will. Remember also when we start with the if clause we put comma, but when we start with the result clause we don't put comma in the middle. If I had more time, I would help you. She would buy a car if she had enough money. Here no comma because I started with the result clause, then the if clause. Let's see important grammar rule. Rule number 1. Use past simple, but the meaning is present or future. This first conditional talks about future event. The second condition talks about present or future. It could be when we are talking about now, or we are talking about the future. Understand the difference? The first conditional always specifically talks about the future. The second condition talks about either present or future. Let's see. So we said that simply we use past simple, but the meaning is present or future. We use would in the result clause. In the first conditional we use will in the result clause, but in the second we use would in the result clause. Do not use will in the second conditional. Only use will in the first and would in the second conditional. And again, never use would in the if clause of the second condition, because we use past simple in the first in the if clause. If he studied more, he would pass. Don't say if he would study more, he would pass. Zero, because you are using would or will in the second conditional, which is very wrong. Let's see was and were in the second conditional. With I, he, she, it, we often use were instead of was. Remember, we used it to know that in past simple, the past, when I reach on subject I The past I say I was. Different from the second conditional. In second conditional, verb to be, we don't care the subject, we just use were instead of was. We often use were instead of was. That's why I say if I were rich, I would help others. You see that? If I were rich, I would help others. Instead of saying that if I was rich, no, that's wrong. I say if I were rich. If she were here, she would understand. If she were here, she would understand. Don't say if she was here. Don't do that. Both forms may appear, but where is more formal? You can use if I was rich, but the one which is more formal is where. Let's see the comparison of the first condition and the second condition. First conditional, I can say if it rains, that's if plus present simple, then subject will V1. I will stay home, that's real and possible. But if it rained in second conditional, if it rained, I would stay home, that's if plus past simple, subject would V1. This is an imaginary situation. One is real possibility, another is real imaginary situation. So let's fill in the blanks here. If I dash dash money, more money, I would travel. If she dash dash the answer, she would tell us. If we dash dash closer, we would meet often. If he dash dash taller, he would play football. If they dash dash less, they would rest more. If I dash dash you, I would study harder. If she dash dash tired, she would come. If we dash dash a car, we would drive there. If he dash dash English better, he would get the job. If they dash dash the match, they would celebrate. Choose the corrective verb from here. If it dash dash, I would stay inside. If she dash dash more time, she would relax. If he dash dash more careful, if he dash dash more careful, he would avoid mistakes. If we dash dash enough money, we would move. If they dash dash nearer, they would visit often. Complete the sentences correctly. If I dash dash busy, you see this is a negative. I would help you. If she dash dash more, she would pass. If he dash dash her number, he would call her. If we dash dash early, we would leave. If they dash dash the rules, they would follow them. Let's proceed with the quiz. Complete each with us using the second conditional. If I dash that the lottery, I would buy a house. If she dash dash here, she would agree. If we dash dash more time, we would practice more. If he dash dash so late, he would sleep better. If they dash dash closer, they would visit us often. Ciao.